Before buying a full-face mountain bike helmet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Schwinn Thrasher. The Schwinn Thrasher helmet caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive price of just $31.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 12,800 reviews, it's clear this helmet is popular for a reason. If you want a reliable helmet that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. What stands out about the Schwinn Thrasher is its snug fit. The adjustable dial retention system lets you easily tweak it for comfort, while the 21 air vents keep your head cool on hot days. Plus, the removable visor is a nice touch for those sunny rides. With a compliance to US CPSC safety standards, you know you're getting a helmet that's built for safety. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A secure helmet means you can focus on the trail ahead rather than worrying about your protection. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit tight for larger heads. Here's the thing though, if you're within the size range of 58-62 cm, it should fit just fine. But if you have a larger head, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider looking for a budget-friendly helmet that still prioritizes safety. Skip this one if you have a larger head, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the fit issue of the Schwinn Thrasher bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more adjustable design. Product number 2, Retro Spec Dakota. Next up is the Retro Spec Dakota, priced at $29.99 and also boasting a 4.5-star rating from about 7,800 reviews. What caught my attention here is its versatility. It's not just for bikes but works for BMX, skating, and scooters too. If you want a helmet that can do it all, this one's worth considering. With 10 vents, airflow is maximized, meaning no more overheating during those intense rides. This is especially important when you're pushing yourself on the trails. Plus, the removable padding means you can keep it fresh after those sweaty sessions. Here's why this matters. Keeping your helmet clean not only extends its life but also protects your health. However, some users have mentioned that the sizing can be a bit off. It might feel tighter than expected. But here's the thing, once you adjust the straps, it typically fits well. If you're not looking for something that fits every head perfectly, it's worth a shot. This is perfect for you if you're involved in multiple sports and want a reliable helmet for all. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for a bike-only helmet, but it's a great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety features. Product number 3, ILM LED Helmet. Coming in third is the ILM Adult Bike Helmet, priced at $61.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,000 reviews, this helmet really caught my eye for its built-in USB rechargeable LED lights. If you ride often at night or in low-light conditions, this helmet is definitely worth a serious look. The helmet's one-piece structure combines EPS and PC shells, which means better shock absorption. It's ASTM and CPSC certified, so you know you're getting top-notch safety. The 10 vents effectively circulate air, keeping you cool even during your longest rides. The adjustable size system ensures a snug fit for most head sizes, which is crucial for a secure helmet. Here's why this matters. With better visibility from the lights, you can ride confidently knowing that cars and other cyclists will see you. Now, some users reported issues with the lights malfunctioning over time. But here's the thing, if the lights stop working, it's still a solid helmet without them. Just remember to check the functionality when you first get it. This is perfect for you if you're a night rider or someone who values visibility. Skip this one if you're only riding during the day and don't need the extra lighting, but it's a great investment for safety. If you liked the safety features of the ILM, you'll appreciate the next helmet, which prioritizes ventilation and comfort. Product number 4, GLX GX23. Next on the list is the GLX GX23, priced at $79.95 and rated 4.7 stars from 2,100 reviews. What really impressed me is its aerodynamic design, which is great for intense riding. If you want a helmet that helps you slice through the air while keeping you safe, this one deserves your attention. The multi-density EPS liner reduces rotational forces, which can be crucial in an accident. Plus, the customizable interior allows you to adjust the fit, ensuring it feels just right. Here's why this matters. A helmet that fits well not only feels more comfortable, but also provides better protection. Now, some people noted that the helmet feels a bit heavier than expected. But honestly, that added weight is often a trade-off for the level of protection it offers, so I wouldn't let that deter you too much. This is perfect for you if you're serious about mountain biking and want a high-performance helmet. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and less bulky, but it's definitely worth the investment for serious riders. Now, if you're looking for something really stylish and lightweight, the next helmet on the list has that covered. Product number 5, Demon United Podium. Finally, we have the Demon United Podium full-face helmet priced at $79.99 with a solid rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,100 reviews. This helmet really stands out with its awesome graphics and a lightweight design. If you're looking for style without sacrificing protection, this is a great contender. Its EPS foam liner conforms to your head, giving you a snug fit that feels comfortable throughout your ride. The removable and washable liner is a nice touch, ensuring you can keep it clean after those muddy trails. Here's why this matters. A helmet that stays fresh is one that you'll want to wear more often. However, some users mention that the sizing runs a bit small. Here's the thing though, if you check the size chart and go for a size up, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a cool-looking helmet that doesn't skimp on safety. Skip this one if you have a larger head and need more space, but it's a stylish and protective option for many. If you're still unsure which helmet is best for you, let's quickly recap the options before you make your choice. So there you have it, the top 5 full-face mountain bike helmets. From the budget-friendly Schwinn Thrasher to the stylish Demon United Podium, each helmet has its strengths and a few weaknesses. Think about what matters most to you, whether it's safety features, ventilation, or style, and you'll find the right fit. Happy riding!